Hi Dextools family, those who follow our channel know we already made a video about how to swap coins on decentralized exchanges, but this one now is a very special one. We want to show you all the perks of the new PancakeSwap integration into the Dextools platform, which launched on 10th of March just a few days ago. Everything works very smoothly, so let's get right into the perks of the new aggregator. You are able to swap now at the best rates on the market on Ethereum, Binance Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Arbitrum and all other Kyber supported chains, and this directly on the Dextools platform, so you will be paying less fees than on any other DEX out there. Furthermore, it's very hard to get front run when you use the auto slippage. Even the best traders sometimes set the slippage too high or just forget to change it and get front run. Those little red guys in the trading history appear and you see they stole some of your ETH. Auto slippage avoids that and even remarks when a token has a tax implemented. The aggregator calculates automatically the applied tax on this particular token and adjusts the slippage automatically for up to 30% taxes. So you will get a warning message in case the token applies a tax for that trade you are initiating. For trading on Dextools, you don't need to register or make any kind of account. You just connect your wallet to the platform and you're good to go. It's so easy and fast, so let's just do it. You just click here, this button in the top right corner to go to your user's account, and then you just connect your wallet by doing the following steps. You click this button here and then click this button here to verify your wallet in your MetaMask, then just sign the message and you're connected to the Dextools platform. For trading on Dextools, you also don't need to hold any Dex tokens. You can use the platform with limited features for free, but holding coins for using the standard or premium version makes it much easier to use, and you can use all your additional features we explain in another video. This is just up to you. I have entered now with my wallet holding 1000 Dex for using the standard version. For trading, I go now back to the Dext board, and in the top left corner I can pick any chain I want to trade on. You see here many chains are integrated already and more will come in the future. So I just pick the Binance Smart Chain, and here I can introduce the token address or a name from the coin I want to trade, or I pick a hot pair. Here I see GQ trending, Galactic Quadrant. It's the token from Outer Ring, and I'm gonna show you now how to buy it. So I just click here the swap button, accept the warning message, and then I can just introduce the amount I want to trade here and click the swap button. Of course, I need to sign in MetaMask again, and the trade is done. Same for buying as for selling, easy as it is. A note for those who can't sell their tokens: double check if the token you bought is not a scam. We made a proper video about how to identify those scams before you buy them. The video about it is linked in the description. So you see how easy it is to swap any coins on Dextools. You save money because it's the cheapest swap out there. You avoid being front run if you use the auto slippage, and you don't need to research the taxes on a token because Dextools calculates the slippage for you. Of course, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell button and all that you don't miss out on upcoming videos from Dextools Academy. We upload every week and more news in the crypto space. We explain the features of different blockchain. We explain technical analysis, how to find the best cryptos to invest in, how to identify scams and much more. So be tuned and see you on the next one. Bye.